Alrighty, we're gonna do a little bike check for my 2025 Michigami bike, which looks a lot like my 2024 Michigami bike. Hopefully that's a good thing. I won last year. So let's see what's different, what's the same. Alright, I'm out on my porch because the weather has conspired against me to be drizzly. So hopefully you can see alright, but let's start with the frame and some of what's same and different there. So bike is still the same. It's a Bear Claw Thunderhawk. It's a titanium bike. I love this bike. It does a little bit of everything. Gravel, bikepacking, road. Makes it pretty good for this application. The wheels are still the same NV AG25 wheels, but I have some brand new reflective stickers courtesy of Sarah Rice. Those are super cool. I'm very happy about that. Then my NV Adventure Fork, obviously not going to be using the mounts, but I have outfitted it with a couple of additional stickers.